Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on
How to enable or disable clipboard history in Windows 11 or 10. Most people use the copy and paste function in Windows 11 and 10. When you copy a new item, Windows forgets about your previous clipboard item. So Microsoft introduced the clipboard history feature on Windows 10 that remembers up to 25 clipboard items until you restart your machine. You can access your new clipboard experience by pressing Windows+V on your keyboard. The clipboard history can also be pasted, and items that you use frequently can also be pinned. In addition to plain text, the clipboard history also supports HTML and images. Windows 10 Build 18234 has increased the image size limit to 4 MB in order to accommodate full-screen screenshots. You can press Ctrl+Shift+C to copy a path to your clipboard when selecting a file or folder in File Explorer. Alternatively, if you do not want clipboard history to be used by any user on your PC, you can disable it in Windows 11 or 10. In case clipboard history does not work on your PC, you can enable it using the group policy. Here is how to do it. How to turn on or off clipboard history on Windows 11 or 10.
To enable or disable clipboard history on Windows 11 or 10, first click on the Start button, then type gpedit.msc, or you can also type group policy. In the search results, click on the Edit Group Policy. This will open Local Group Policy Editor window. Here, under Computer Configuration, double-click on Administrative Templates, then expand System, then expand OS Policies. On the right side, you will see Allow Clipboard History. Double-click on this, then select Enabled to allow clipboard history on your PC. If you want to disable this, just select Disabled and click Apply and then OK. Just I am enabling it. Enabled. I have selected Enabled. Then Apply and then click on the OK. At last, restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it.
Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.